Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love simple, creative, and affordable DIY projects, then you're in the right place. I made this phone stand using PVC pipe. Yes, just simple PVC pipe, basic tools, and a little creativity. What makes this project special is that anyone can do it. You don't need expensive machines, you don't need a workshop, and you don't need advanced skills. If you can measure, cut, and assemble, then you can make this phone stand. What I really love about PVC projects like this is that you can always improve them. You can paint it, adjust the size, or even modify the design to fit tablets or bigger phones. And that's the beauty of DIY. Once you learn the basics, the ideas never stop. Don't forget to like it. It really helps support the channel and motivates me to create more content like this. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.